What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys like those little edits I did, and that's the reason I haven't really been posting, guys, since obviously I did sell the STI and I just been out of town, so I haven't been really videotaping any content for you guys. But we're back now home, and we just got back from Arizona, guys, and I just wanted to show you guys what the next step for the AMG is. And I really wanted to film this video for you guys because I've noticed that there isn't really a lot of content for finding the right spec for flush fitment on the either C450 or C43 AMG. So first of all, let me get started with the tires. So this is what I'm going to be running, guys. These bad boys here. Oh yeah. So this one here is a 19-inch 275 tire by 35. So it's pretty thin. And then, so this is for the back. So two of these for the back. And then for the front, it's going to be a 245 35 19. So I'm going to be running 19s all around. And I was planning on going with a 265, but I was just kind of scared of rubbing issues with the suspension or control arms and stuff like that. So I wasn't going to risk it, so I just went with the 245. Toyo Tires does not make our 888s in 255. That's what I wanted in the beginning. So it was either a 245 or 265, so I went with the 245. So that's that. I honestly really like this design of the tire. My buddy with the GT350 is running these, and he says that they are a super good tire. So that's one of the reasons I went with those. And then, well, as you guys see over here, we got the new wheels for the AMG. I'll put the link in the description down below on where I got these. This company is from California. They're called Wheel Design. You can search them up as Wheel Design on Instagram. So what I'm going to be doing is unboxing that and then giving you guys a little sneak peek. Okay, guys, so I haven't even opened the box yet, so it's going to be the first time me seeing these wheels. And here we go. Okay, guys, so it came pretty good wrapped up, you know. It has a lot of protection so it doesn't scratch up the paint. So it's super glossy, guys. I really like it. And I think the manufacturer or the guy that I talked to said that he was going to send me extra lug bolts. That's going to be about it for this part of the video. I'm going to catch some sleep, and then I'll get back to you guys tomorrow to mount them on, and then we'll slap them on the car. And also, before I go, guys, so the back ones are 19 by 9.5 and the front ones are 19 by 8.5, and those are 30 offset, and the back ones, I believe, are 45 offset right there. Okay, guys, this is how the car looks stock. Those are the stock wheels I came with. I just painted the calipers yellow. It looks pretty badass. Now let me go show you the new wheels before we put them on, just so you can see. Dang, guys. Okay, guys, so with this setup, it's a staggered setup, so it's different sizes for the front and the back. So anyways, I'm going to mount them on the car right now. I'm going to jack it up, and then we'll see the finishing look. Okay, guys, I just finished installing the tires. Hands are all black. But this car looks insane. Looks like it has like 1,000 horsepower, not going to lie. So hopefully this helps you guys on choosing what wheel specs or what wheels to get. Everything's going to be in the description, like I said. Okay, guys, one of the main reasons I wanted to get new wheels, not only because I really wanted just a different look for the car, but look at this, guys. The freaking dealership sold me the car with this. That's literally a weld, and it already cracked. I can't even imagine. I could have literally killed myself. So what, guys, should I sue the company? or not. Let me know. Okay guys, so as you guys saw there, it's pretty much flush fitment.